Hello guys, good morning. So this one is ready for out. So we need to torque the tire to make sure the customer have a safety when you are driving. So that's the way I torque, guys. Make sure that you know the torque specifications of each of the car. Every car have a different torque specification. Mostly for Honda is like something 89 foot per pounds, but I using my 90 foot per pound for Honda. That's the mostly for Honda car. This car, guys, is ready to go, so I'm just opening my garage door, remove the well block, then it's ready to go outside. It's almost done, guys. So I'm driving this one to outside, and I need to call the customers that this car is ready for pick up. So